Hello friends, Jakey has a soccer game tomorrow and we signed up for snacks. So that's what we're working on right now. I got everything on Amazon, the snack bags and the snacks. For snacks, we're doing goldfish. Jacob picked Oreos. He also picked some Pirate's Booty. Can I have one? Is there enough for me to eat one right now?
Yeah.
Okay. Pirate's Booty. And then we're going to get a cooler and put these in the cooler, the Gatorades. It ripped? Okay, then don't use that one. Use just all the other ones. But let's be gentle next time because we need these bags for your friends. Yeah. Yeah, 11 is good. Oh, and then we also have oranges. Let me go get those little oranges. And we got these oranges for each bag. Hello, friends. Happy Friday. We ordered some Thai food. Justin, you went here, right, with your mom when you went to like a concert?
This was a different location, though. It's like a Thai restaurant, yeah.
Nice. So yeah, it's the same chain, I guess, you think?
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, Justin tried this place with his mom when he went to a concert. Why is the...
Do we put it in here?
It looks weird. Like, do I need to wipe my phone? Anyways, let me show you the food. We got chicken satay, some edamame. That is pad see ew. This is gyoza. Some egg rolls, mango sticky rice. What, red curry, honey?
That's yellow curry.
Yellow curry, and then that is the soup.
Tomka.
Tomka, we love tomka. Well, sweet the sweet, we're over here.
Hello.
Why do I have my accent? I said, oh, this is so sweet. I just bust it out sometimes. Excuse me.
Sorry, couldn't help it.
He grabbed my non-existent. I'm trying, honey, I'm really trying. Today was a glute day workout. It was real hard.
And he has got his own zip code back there.
Yeah, it's non-existent zip code.
It's not just the 5 zip code, it's also the 4. You know how they have like the extra 4 on the end there? It's like the extra.
I'm praying for one, baby. I'm praying for one. I wish I had a wagon I was dragging. It just, I'm not genetically. Oh my God. That was funny. He said a zip code with the number. I can't. Honey, yours is like a whole country.
I take up a whole county.
No. You guys know it ain't a county, it's a country. Have y'all seen the wagon?
That's why you married
He
me.
be dragging enough for all of us. He be dragging enough for the whole family. I'm just jealous, to be honest, honey.
You are, clearly.
Because it's a work of art, I tell you. I wish it's okay. It's okay. One of my partner was like, we're going to have buns of steel after this workout. I said, girl, I've been praying for that. Anyways, it's movie night. We're doing some teamwork, doing it together. All right, for movie night, they're watching Holes. I'm writing a newsletter. So check, I hope you guys join my newsletter because it's not really a newsletter. It's like an email. And those are the snacks. Let's zoom in there. Those are the snacks. Good morning. It's soccer morning. The boys are supposed to have pictures today, but they haven't taken. Maybe after? Girl, I don't know. Hello, friends. We're back home. We just had some lunch. Some leftover Thai food. Liam doesn't want leftover Thai food, so I'm making PB&J for my boy. He says that his legs hurt. He made 2 goals, and he didn't stretch while, you know, before soccer. And I feel like, Jacob, you got to stretch before your game. But he says that he's not feeling well and sore, and so he's in a bathtub upstairs. I put the magnesium, like, bath soap, like it's like a muscle soap. Hopefully that'll help him. And yeah, nothing like a little PB&J. I had like this wooden thing on the bathtub, and what are you doing? Sorry, Jacob's being silly. A wooden thing on the bathtub. I put water, a banana, mixed berries for him, brownie brittle there, and the last step is his PB&J. And I made myself a little iced coffee. We have an hour before the next game. I don't even know where I was going anymore. But yeah, I got my iced coffee. So do you want the nice version of what I'm going to say about the Thai food, or do you want the real one? Because I can't do the nice. I can only do the real one, the me. Girl, that was the worst Thai food I've ever had in my entire existence. I cannot. Jacob! Not Jacob! Not Jacob adding his opinion. Y'all, see, let me tell you something. When we lived in the Bay Area, there was this really good Thai restaurant called Similan Thai in Danville. So if you're in the Bay Area, try Similan Thai in Danville. The owners are Thai. They make really good food. Now that, I compare it. Like, and Justin and I, we had our honeymoon in Thailand and I think it was Singapore. So we know good Thai food, and so I guess I'm just biased, but it was not good Thai food. And I tried to have some for lunch, and I'm like, I'm not feeling it. So one of the sandwiches, the PB&J's for me, because I just need to take that taste out of my mouth. Justin likes it though, so I'm happy he likes it, but not me. And I was actually perplexed. I said, sir, you really do like it? And he was like, yeah, I like it. And I'm like, okay. Like, people can like whatever they want, but I don't. Sorry, boo. Yeah, about you liking the food. Ain't it? See, and why do you think I be cooking at home lately? Because it's like you spend $100 to be disappointed. Ain't no way. I want to do that. The kid said next time I get to pick the DoorDash food. I will. You know what? Matter of fact, I will. It's going to be good, too. Yeah, ramen. Apple picking now. Oh my gosh, look at this. Let me show you. Look at all the butterflies. I'm not worried about no bee. But oh my gosh, look at all these. It doesn't look real. Like, my eyes are like, what? This is insane. This is so beautiful. I want to practice.
Chickies!
They're so cute.
He just pecked me.
He pecked you.
Hey.
Look how cute they are. Oh, buddy. Chicken Little's like, I like them.
Oh man, he's going to town over here.
I'm not done. Wait.
Let me see. Wow. You got gold, Sophia? It is raining. It's not stopping us. We're out here
Let me try this.
picking some apples.
Try this.
But it's not washed
It doesn't matter.
yet.
Eat it.
Okay, I'm a nature girl now.
Is it? Yeah.
This is fun.
Pull it out. There you go. All right, Jake, you got this.
Go, Jakes.
Whoa!
Oh! Now we're in the apple, what's it called? Honey Crisp. Bobby got Honey Crisp. I love our little tradition. We started this last year when we moved here. Got a bunch of apples. We have Sophia in the car because we always have 2 boosters just cause, you know, Sophia can always ride with us whenever we're all together as a family. Oh my gosh, I have a story or something to share. So I was apple picking and I see this family. Oh no, we were walking right to the butterfly field. You know what, let me tell you a story later because these kids is loud. And I feel like I gotta talk over, so let me just tell you when we get home. We're all here for dinner now at this restaurant. It's new to us. Jakey got steak and rice, Liam got quesadilla. Look at this giant horchata. Now we're at the grocery store because we gotta get ingredients for our friends coming over tomorrow. So far, this is what we have. Justin's making pizza for his friend. Our friend is turning 40. I'm making a tres leches cake. What else? Oh, we're making a little Caesar salad, just this kind. And some appetizers we're getting next. Oh, I'm so tired. Why do you see Justin's eyes over there? Hey, boo.
Hi. Soon.
Anyways, it's like, what, 9:30. We are finally back home. I feel like we were out all day. Like, yeah, we were. Like, 8 a.m. was Liam's game, and then we came home for lunch, and then it was more soccer, and then we came back home to change, and then it was fun apple picking. It was so much fun. Anyways, the story that I wanted to tell you in the car, but the kids were loud. Anyways, the Mexican restaurant we ate at was so good. And we met Saba there. It was nice to see Saba. There was, oh yeah, the story. Okay, so girl, we're walking, right? And we're walking towards the trees to go apple picking, but we're passing by the beautiful field of flowers and butterflies again, right? And, you know, people love to take pictures over there because it's so beautiful. I don't blame them. I wish I had a cute little outfit on and had a whole photo shoot there because it was gorgeous, right? A family's taking pictures and Justin was like, he can tell like it's like a family of 3, but like they can't really be up in it. Like they got to do selfies. And Justin is so sweet. Every time he sees that, he's like, may I take a picture for you? It's really nice of him. And then I was like, wait, I know that family that he's taking a picture of. So I go up to the family. I'm like, hi, you guys look so familiar. Like your daughter looks so familiar. She went trick-or-treating at our house last year. Dude, Justin's like, how did you even recognize them? I was like, you don't understand. Like, okay, y'all don't cover me when I say this, but I was so excited to see them when they went trick-or-treating at my house because they are a mixed Asian family too. And I was just excited to see an Asian person trick-or-treating at my house, okay? I was excited. I just moved last year in October and I was like, oh my God, an Asian family. So I was lit. I was like, hey, are you guys from here? Are you in the neighborhood? Like, how long have you been here? And like, I was asking too many dang questions that when I went up to them today at the apple picking place, I was like, hey, you guys look familiar. And like, you know what they said? She was like, yeah, I remember you. You were the one who was asking me a bunch of questions. And I was like, yeah, that was me. And the dad was all like, I remember you. You gave us a lot of bracelets. I had glow-in-the-dark bracelets for everyone, all the trick-or-treaters. So they remembered me, just not in the way that I remembered them. But isn't that crazy how I saw them at the apple picking place? They moved though. Like they moved far away. And I was like, oh, dang it. I won't get to see you at trick-or-treating in my neighborhood no more. And she goes, no. But I was just excited, you know, like I remember that day, Halloween was one of my favorite days because I got to kind of see all the people around the neighborhood. And I'm not an extrovert by any means, but that Halloween, I was so friendly. I was talking to everyone. And if you know me, I'm not friendly in that way. Like, it's not that I'm not friendly. It's just I keep to myself. But I've been trying really hard because I know that my kids are going to grow up here and I want to have friends and I want to have a good impression to people, but sometimes I don't have that, especially when my mom passed away. I just hated everyone, to be honest. It's not that I meant to, I just didn't want to be around people, you know? And also I felt that way at the Boy Scout meeting or the Cub Scout meeting we had this week. I was just in the back with Liam most of the time. I did not really want to say hi or like talk to any of the parents because I was sad about Charlie. It's not me being a bee. It's just me keeping to myself because I was sad. And then today at soccer, I see one of the Cub Scout mom at soccer. And she's like, oh, I don't think I saw you at the meeting. And I was like, no, I was there. I was just in the back. I was really sad because we had to put our cat down. And like, because I'm very honest and like blunt about it. Like maybe I shouldn't be. I don't know. But I just wanted to just be honest with why. And she's like, oh, I didn't see you. And I was like, oh, no, I was in the back the whole time. I was there though. Yeah. Anyways, but they saw Justin because he's now a Cub Scout master assistant. But yeah, I just wanted to say goodnight, friends. We're gonna start making and baking. Justin's gonna make the pizza dough and make all his yummy pizzas. The kids are so excited, especially Jacob. If you know Jacob, he's a foodie. He's been asking about Justin's pizza the whole week. Like, oh, Daddy hurt his back. Is he gonna be okay to make the pizza? And I was all like, really? It's really funny. Like, he's like, really? Because he's like, I hope he's able to still make the pizza. And I'm like, oh, honey, we'll see. We'll see, you know? But yeah, I'll make the tres leches cake. And you know, that's one of my favorite cakes, y'all. Like, my birthday cake last year when we were in San Antonio was a tres leches cake. And it was so yummy. Anyways, friends, my throat hurts from talking so much. So I'll chat with you later. Bye, friends. Oh, join my email list. I'm going to put it down below. I did my first email.